Hey, ScoopBuddy fam. Today I'm going to tell you that science and research drive the world forward, solving global challenges and unlocking new possibilities. In this video, we'll explore the top science and research institutes globally that are shaping the future. Whether you're a budding scientist or an enthusiast, these institutes set the gold standard for innovation and excellence. Let's dive in. Section 1. Massachusetts Institute of Technology, USA. Located in Cambridge, Massachusetts, MIT is renowned for its cutting-edge research in science, technology, and engineering. The institute consistently ranks as one of the best globally, with groundbreaking achievements in AI, robotics, and renewable energy. Its interdisciplinary approach brings experts from various fields together to solve the world's toughest problems. Section 2. Stanford University, USA. Stanford University is not only an academic powerhouse, but also a hub for innovation. Located in the heart of Silicon Valley, Stanford is famous for its advancements in bioengineering, computer science, and sustainable energy. The university's close ties to industry leaders make it a preferred choice for aspiring researchers. Section 3. University of Cambridge, UK. The University of Cambridge has a rich history of scientific discoveries, from DNA's double helix structure to advancements in quantum physics. Its research programs in medical sciences, astrophysics, and biotechnology are world-renowned, attracting students and scholars from around the globe. Section 4. Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, Zurich, Switzerland. ETH Zurich is a leader in environmental science, engineering, and data science. Located in Switzerland, this institute has produced over 20 Nobel laureates, including Albert Einstein. Its focus on innovation and sustainability makes it a top choice for those aiming to make a global impact. Section 5. National University of Singapore, NUS. Singapore, NUS stands out as a leader in Asia for research in nanotechnology, biomedical science, and artificial intelligence. With state-of-the-art facilities and collaborations with global institutions, NUS is a hotspot for cutting-edge scientific research. Section 6. Indian Institute of Science, IISc, India. Located in Bengaluru, India, IISc is the country's premier research institution, focusing on advanced studies in engineering, mathematics, and environmental sciences. With its world-class faculty and partnerships with global organizations, IISc has significantly contributed to India's scientific progress. Section 7. Max Planck Society, Germany. The Max Planck Society is a network of 86 research institutes across Germany, known for pioneering work in physics, chemistry, and life sciences. With a focus on fundamental research, it has earned a reputation as one of the most prestigious research organizations in the world. Section 8. Kyoto University, Japan. Kyoto University is renowned for its contributions to chemical and biological research. With a strong emphasis on sustainable development and innovation, the institute is a leader in creating solutions to global challenges. The world of science and research thrives because of the dedication and innovation of institutions like these. Each of these institutes has carved a unique space for itself, contributing significantly to global advancements in technology, medicine, environmental sustainability, and beyond. They not only push the boundaries of what we know, but also inspire the next generation of scientists, innovators, and thinkers. If you're considering a career in research or looking for inspiration, these institutions provide the perfect environment to learn, grow, and contribute to society. We hope this video has given you valuable insights into the world of top science and research institutes. Which one inspired you the most? Comment below.